Everyone tells you the same thing: wake up earlier, work harder, hustle more. But what if the reason you're exhausted, distracted, and constantly behind is because you're following productivity advice that's scientifically backwards? Here's the uncomfortable truth: the most productive people don't grind more hours. They strategically do less and somehow get twice as much done. And once you understand how this works, it almost feels illegal, because no one told you this sooner. Right now, your brain is competing with notifications, deadlines, social pressure, and nonstop information. Productivity isn't about motivation anymore, it's about managing a limited biological system. If you don't understand how your brain actually works, you'll keep blaming yourself for something that isn't your fault. But if you do understand it, you can design your days so focus feels automatic instead of forced. This isn't about willpower, it's about leverage. Let's start with the biggest lie about productivity. Most people treat focus like an on and off switch. You sit down, open your laptop, and think, okay, now I'll concentrate. But 5 minutes later, you're checking your phone, opening new tabs, and wondering where your time went. That's because focus isn't a decision, it's a biological state. Every time you switch tasks, every notification, every quick glance, your brain pays a cost. It doesn't smoothly jump between tasks, it has to restart. Studies show that task switching can reduce your effective brain power by up to 40%. You're working longer, but thinking worse. Think of your brain like a hiking trail. Every uninterrupted stretch of focus clears the path a little more. Interruptions are like teleporting you to a completely different mountain every few minutes. No trail ever gets built. So instead of asking, how long should I work? Ask this instead: how long can I stay uninterrupted? Start with a short window, 25 to 45 minutes. One task, one tab, phone in another room. And here's the key part most people miss: stop before you feel exhausted, because that leads to the second secret. Productivity isn't about time management, it's about energy management. You've probably planned a perfect schedule before and still hit a wall halfway through the day. That's not laziness, that's biology. Your brain runs on natural cycles of high energy and low energy. Trying to force deep focus during a low energy phase is like trying to sprint uphill non-stop. Research shows we operate in 90 to 120-minute rhythms. Elite performers, athletes, musicians, surgeons, don't fight these cycles, they align with them. That means your hardest thinking should happen during your natural energy peak. Protect that time like it's sacred. Everything else, emails, organizing, easy tasks, belongs in low energy zones. This same principle shows up in professional sports, music practice, and even military training. But even perfect timing won't save you if you rely on motivation. Willpower is a terrible long-term strategy. Most people think productive people have more discipline. They don't. They have better systems. Motivation is unreliable. Environment is not. Behavioral science shows that when friction increases, behavior drops, even if motivation is high. That's why the most productive people don't resist distractions. They remove them. Like what you see? Smash that like button. They log out. They block sites. They make distractions inconvenient and work unavoidable. Instead of asking, how do I stop myself from getting distracted? Ask, how can I make distraction harder than focus? This idea shows up everywhere: habit building, addiction recovery, even city design. Humans follow the path of least resistance. And once distractions stop draining your mental energy, something unexpected happens. You realize rest isn't the enemy of productivity. Most people treat rest as a reward, something you earn after you're done. But you're never done, so rest always feels guilty. That's backwards. Rest isn't the opposite of productivity, it's the fuel source. Your brain consolidates memory, solves problems, and generates insight when you stop pushing it. That's why your best ideas show up in the shower, on walks, or right before sleep. High performers don't wait until burnout to rest. They schedule it on purpose. Short walks without podcasts, moments of boredom, stopping work while energy is still high. This is standard practice in research labs and creative industries where breakthroughs matter more than looking busy. So here's what actually changed. You started thinking productivity meant doing more. Now you know it's about fewer interruptions, aligned energy, designed environments, and intentional rest. Not hustle, not guilt, not grinding harder. So here's the challenge. Tomorrow, don't try to be productive all day. Protect one uninterrupted focus block, end it early, then stop. If that feels wrong, good. That's what real productivity feels like before it changes your life. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next one.